Hi everyone, I'm Christy from Ballast. In the second video tutorial, I will show you how to create buildings within your project, or as it is also called, how to use the sketch mode. The tools to start drawing are found in our drop-down menu, in the second option represented by the shape of the building. For drawing, the configurator provides several possibilities. Let's start first from the regular shapes. The regular shapes are preset shapes that we can drag directly onto our map above the building we have chosen. Once the shape has been inserted, the option appears to be able to modify it and adapt it to our building. I like the Translate button, the Duplicate button, the Rotate button, and the Hide button, as well as the Cancel button. Within the Rotate key, we can then rotate it following the side of our building. We can then, with the Edit Vertex key, move the sides by adapting the length to our liking. With the axis instead, we can move our shape on the map wherever we prefer. With the duplicate key, however, we can create a shape exactly identical to the one we have just created. So click on the shape and press the duplicate key. Choosing one of the two axes, we click and move on the shape we duplicated. Once duplicated, we can also decide the duplication distance and the number of times it will be duplicated. So, to be able to delete it, click on the shape and then click the Cancel button. We may also want to add vertices to our shape, again, with Edit Vertex key. Later, having created new vertices, we can then move them or we can remove them. So in this way, we just saw the regular shapes, but we just don't have this option to draw our building. Also, on our drop-down menu, we can find the Draw Polygon tool. The Draw Polygon tool allows us to draw freehand or trace the shape of our building. Once the shape has been drawn, this button also gives us the possibility to directly modify the dimensions by inserting the measures ourselves. And here we have created our shape. Once the drawing of the building is finished, we also have the measure tool available, which gives us the possibility of measuring the distance, for example, of our building from another. And here is our measurement segment. So if, on the other hand, we need to insert our drawing on the map, the configurator gives us the possibility of inserting a PNG or an image that we can go to scale within our project. By clicking on the first icon, we then click on Media. So this is our test drawing. Let's upload it together. So here it is. Once loaded, click on Save and Close. So here is where the configurator has inserted the image we have chosen into our map. In this way, having the measurements of the building, or in any case of our drawing, we can go to scale it by clicking on it and selecting the Size button. Since we have the measurements of the X size and also the Y size, we're going to insert the measurements to scale the image. And here, in fact, our configurator has scaled our image. So in this way, we can safely go and insert a shape over our image or draw on it using the drawing tool and through the polygon drawing. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. Come with me in the next video to find out how to create a building in 3D view.